Hello YouTube, I'm Vince White, I'm an employment attorney, and we are answering publicly posted YouTube questions, getting folks the answers they need from an employment attorney. We have a question here from YouTube user Bryn August, posted about a month ago, on our video from 3 months ago, entitled, "Our attorney won't depose our employer's witnesses. Why not, and what can we do?" And Bryn asked the following: "My attorney isn't deposing anyone. He said he doesn't want them to know what he's asking until they are on the stand. Have you heard of this tactic?" I have. It's called being a piece of shit. If that is actually what your attorney said, in my opinion, you may want to have a serious conversation with other local attorneys, because that doesn't make any sense. But I'll read the rest of the question. "I'm concerned because my former employer hasn't tried to offer anything other than $1,500. My claims are sexual harassment as a massage therapist by clients. Then retaliation when I reported my manager telling me to stay in the room unless I was in physical danger. They also would not accommodate my disability, and then they asked me to resign after all of this. They did not bring me back to work after January of 2020 during a company-wide yearly shutdown. Then they let me go in May of 2020 because of COVID, they said. I've been in counseling ever since all of this has happened. It's been awful, and we go to court in 3 weeks. Their attorneys have been very aggressive in trying to get everything dismissed and have not been successful." All right, Bryn, I can see here that there's a good chance your case has already gone to trial. So I apologize that it took me a month to get to your question. We're just getting a lot more questions these days than we used to on the channel, and it's hard to keep up. But I hope that you won your trial. I hope that you got paid in spite of your attorney. There are reasons why an attorney would not want to depose certain witnesses. Certainly, I've had disagreements with clients. They wanted me to do 30 depositions for like 26 people who didn't matter, and then 4 people who mattered to the case, right? And I'll just be like, yeah, I'm going to do the 4 that matter. Not, you can't tell me why these other 26 matter, so we're not going to do that. It's not going to happen, right? But that being said, the concept that your attorney didn't want them to know what he was going to ask until they're on the stand, that is, I got a lot of things I want to say about that. So the first thing they teach you, and any trial prep program and any law school deposition training, anything of the sort, trial training, anything of the kind, is that you don't generally want to be on trial asking questions you don't know the answer to. This is the general wisdom. This is generally what any attorney would say to you. So yeah, I don't like your attorney's answer one bit. I don't know your attorney. I don't know who your attorney was. I don't know anything at all about what they actually said. I assume you're not paraphrasing. I assume you're actually telling me what they said. But that statement makes me think that I don't like your attorney very much. Yeah, that is not a good reason to not depose a witness. There are many good reasons to not depose a potential witness, the best of which is, I don't care about this witness. This witness is not relevant, right? This is not a good reason. I'm sorry, Bryn. I hope you won your case, and I hope that you are sitting on a pile of cash right now. I'm sorry about what you went through. I will track the comments if you want to update us on what happened. I'll check the comments on this video. If this was helpful, and Bryn, it was not helpful to you because I think you've already gone to trial, but if this was helpful to anyone else, like and subscribe. It helps me to help more people just like you. Take care.